Okay, what you're seeing here is not a creek. This is the path. And yeah, I'm wearing low-cut boots. So yeah, I'm already going squelch, squelch, squelch. So, but let's go along for a bit. See how bad this gets. This bit's not too bad. Pretty shallow. I've already gone through some deep bits. And yeah, at this point, it's a case of whatever. Looks like we fork off a little bit here. Yeah, as you can see, I'm well and truly waterlogged. Debating whether I'll go that way or whether I'll go this way. We might give this way a go. Yeah, or back the other way. Ground there underneath is a bit soft, whereas at least this is, as it is the track, it's firm underfoot. So yeah, my the water is going above the ankle line on these low cuts. I was just thinking how much I do like it when the creek is up, but this is funny because yeah, this is the path. This is the path. The creek's over there somewhere, through that gap. I have to keep moving because at least when I'm moving, it's pumping the water back out of the shoes. Here's a dry bit. So this is not bad. Oh man, I don't think I've seen it like this for a while. And yeah, oh well, nothing for it. I've come this far. Oh well. There we are. I think that's the worst of it, but yeah, the shoes there are feeling a little squelchy. So oh well, not to worry. All fun and games.